Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will talk about the topic that we all face right now. Food shortage in the current economy. How to prepare and grow your own supplies. In the current global economy, food shortages have become an increasingly pressing issue. Various factors, including climate change, geopolitical conflicts, supply chain disruptions, and economic instability, have contributed to this crisis. As a result, individuals and communities must find ways to prepare and ensure their own food security. One effective strategy is to grow your own supplies, which can provide a sustainable and reliable source of nourishment. In this video, we will explore the causes of food shortages, the importance of preparedness, and the practical steps for growing your own food. First, understanding the causes of food shortages. Food shortages can be attributed to several interconnected factors. Firstly, climate change has had a profound impact on agriculture productivity. Unpredictable weather patterns, extreme temperatures, and natural disasters such as droughts and floods have disrupted crop yields and reduced availability of essential food items. These environmental challenges are exacerbated by depletion of natural resources, including water and fertile land, which are critical for food production. Geopolitical conflicts also play a significant role in food shortages. Wars and political instability disrupt farming activities, displace populations, and hinder the distribution of food supplies. For instance, conflicts in regions like Middle East and Africa have led to several food insecurity affecting millions of people. Additionally, economic sanctions and trade restrictions can further limit access to food, compounding the problem. Supply chain disruptions are another major factor contributing to food shortages. The COVID-19 pandemic highlighted the vulnerabilities in global supply chains, leading to delays and shortages of various products, including food. Transportation bottlenecks, labor shortages, and logistical challenges have created gaps in the availability of essential items. As economies strive to recover, these disruptions continue to affect the stability of food supplies. The importance of preparedness. Given the multifaceted nature of food shortages, it is crucial for individuals and communities to be prepared. Relying solely on external sources of food can be risky, especially in times of crisis. Being prepared means having a plan to ensure access to sufficient and nutritious food, even when external supplies are compromise. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is by growing your own food. Offers numerous benefits. First, it provides a reliable source of fresh and nutritious produce. Homegrown fruits and vegetables are often richer in vitamins and minerals compared to store-bought alternatives, which may have lost nutritional value during transportation and storage. Additionally, growing your own food reduces dependence on commercial food systems, making you less vulnerable to supply chain disruptions and price fluctuations. Moreover, gardening promotes self-sufficiency and resilience. It empowers individuals and communities to take control of their food production, fostering a sense of independence and security. In times of economic uncertainty or global crisis, having a sustainable source of food can alleviate anxiety and ensure that basic needs are met. Practical steps for growing your own food. Embarking on the journey of growing your own food requires carefully planning and commitment. Here are some practical steps to get started. First, access your space. Evaluate the available space for your gardening. Whether you have a large backyard, a small balcony, or even just a windowsill, there are options to growing food in various settings. Container gardening, vertical gardening, and raised beds are excellent solutions for limited spaces. Choose suitable crops. Select crops that are well suited to your climate and growing conditions. Research which fruits, vegetables, and herbs thrive in your regions. Start with easy-to-grow varieties such as tomatoes, lettuce, radishes, and herbs like basil and parsley. As you gain experience, you can experiment with more challenging crops. Prepare the soil. Healthy soil is foundation of successful gardening. Test your soil to determine its pH and nutrient levels. Amend the soil with compost and organic matter to improve its fertility and structure. Good soil management ensures robust plant growth and higher yields. Start small. If you are new to gardening, start small to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Begin with a few plants and gradually expand as you gain confidence and knowledge. This approach allows you to learn from experience and refine your gardening techniques. Practice sustainable gardening. Implement sustainable gardening practices to conserve resources and protect the environment. Use organic fertilizers and natural pest control methods to minimize chemical use. Mulch your garden to retain moisture and reduce water consumption. Additionally, consider composting kitchen scraps to create nutrient-rich compost for your plants. Plan for year-round harvest. To maximize your food production, plan for year-round gardening. Utilize techniques such as succession planting and crop rotation to ensure continuous supply and fresh produce. Extend the growing season by using cold frames and greenhouses to protect plants from harsh weather conditions. Engage with the community. Gardening can be communal activity that fosters collaboration and knowledge sharing. Join local gardening clubs and community gardens to connect with another gardeners and exchange tips and resources. Community gardening initiatives can also enhance food security on larger scale by pooling resources and efforts. In conclusion, food shortages in the current economy are a complex issue driven by climate change, geopolitical conflicts, and supply chain disruptions. To mitigate the impact of these challenges, individuals and communities must prioritize preparedness and self-sufficiency, growing your own food, and practical and empowering solutions that provide a reliable source of nourishment, produces independence on external food systems, and promotes resilience by taking proactive steps to cultivate your own garden. You can contribute to your own food security and well-being in increasingly uncertain world. Thank you so much, and for those who did not subscribe to my channel, please click subscribe button to support this channel when I have more videos to post. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy and start thinking of growing your own foods. For watching, and I hope you like my video. Please subscribe, give it a thumb up, like to support my channel. Thank you so much.